Here's some papers. No, nobody uses them. Here's some realistic features to the gun. And the Matrix Tactical Assistance Scope is a very helpful piece of airsoft equipment. The Type 96 bolt action sniper rifle is full metal and has FPS of 500, and it was purchased off of Evite.com. This week's shout out is to 5,000. This is Airsoft 24503. We're doing a war. Here, alright, here's that kid's gun. And then here's that kid's gun.
Now show your pistol.
And then there's Thompson.
You got a pistol
MP5, M16. Pistol.
45. Thompson.
Yeah.
Here's yours truly.
I'll show you in the glasses.
They're guests.
No. No, we're not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're guests.
Whatever.
Playing battle.
Hey, let's go.
Alright.
Come on.
Alright, start.
This is part one. Say
Start.
part
Yeah,
starting now.
part one.
It's starting now.
No. End it. Wait, no.
Go!
Shoot him in the ass.
Oh, shoot. Guys, I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. So, this is coming. There's that kid.
Is he at the base?
Yeah, no, he ran back. He's coming around the house, I think. Aw, come on, Colin, of course you would. Alright, there's the fourth.
Whoa.
Stop going near me. Stop! I didn't even get hit. Trev, what are you doing without your mask on? So hot. Camera coming. Camera. Yo, Colin! I'm coming. Alright, yeah. Ow! Alright, that was me. Stop going near me. Wait, how? Oh. Alright, yeah. Who won? Alright. So, that team won. You shot me in the face, Chad. So that team won. Round two.
No.